You know that feeling when you hear the word AI, and your first thought is, that's for the young ones. That's for the tech kids. That's not for me. Yet the 47-year-old teacher is making $4,000 a month using it. The 52-year-old nurse just replaced her second income. With it, the 61-year-old grandfather is building a legacy from his kitchen table. No degree, no coding, no experience, just the willingness to learn one new thing. Age is not your obstacle. The story you've been telling yourself about age. That is. And today, that story ends.
Let's be honest about where you are right now. You're not lazy. You've never been lazy. You've worked hard your entire life. You've built things, raised people, solved problems most 25-year-olds haven't even encountered yet. But somewhere along the way, the world started moving faster, and the gap between where you're financially and where you thought you'd be by now, that gap started to feel very, very loud. Maybe the pension isn't what you planned. Maybe the cost of living has swallowed what used to feel comfortable. Maybe you're watching your kids struggle and thinking, I want to do more. I want to leave more. And then someone mentions AI, and instead of excitement, you feel something else, dread. Because every article, every video, every headline seems written for someone 20 years younger than you. The language is different. The tools look complicated, and the unspoken message feels like this train already left. You missed it. I want to look you directly in the eye right now and tell you that is a lie. I've seen a 58-year-old former accountant build a $6,000 a month AI content business in under 9 months. I've seen a 44-year-old stay-at-home parent launch an AI consulting side income that now pays their mortgage. These are not exceptional people. They are people who decided that 40-plus years of life experience, of knowing people, understanding problems, communicating clearly, is not a disadvantage in the AI economy. It is the ultimate advantage, because AI gives you the tools, but you bring the wisdom, the judgment, the emotional intelligence that no algorithm will ever replicate. The door is not closed, it is wide open, and it is waiting specifically for people like you.
Stop thinking you need to understand AI to use it. You don't understand how your car engine works, but you drive every day. The real enemy here isn't technology. It isn't your age. It isn't even your lack of experience. It is the assumption that this world requires a version of you that doesn't exist yet. Wrong. The version of you that exists right now, with 40-plus years of context, communication, and human understanding, is exactly what the AI economy is hungry for. Have you ever explained something complicated to someone in a way that finally made them understand? Have you ever solved a problem at work that younger colleagues couldn't crack? Have you ever written an email, a letter, a message that moves someone? That is a skill. That is a product. That is income, waiting to be unlocked. The only move left is to begin. Here they are, 7 real, proven, beginner-friendly income streams that people over 40 are using right now to generate serious money with AI tools. Businesses need content, blogs, emails, social posts, newsletters. The demand is enormous and growing daily. With tools like ChatGPT, you use AI to generate drafts. Then you apply your real-world experience, your voice, your judgment, to shape it into something valuable. You are not replacing your skill. You are supercharging it. A 49-year-old former HR manager now earns $3,000 a month writing company culture content for startups. Content she understands better than any 24-year-old ever could. She charges for the wisdom. The AI handles the heavy lifting. Your voice, your tone, your presence. Platforms allow you to create professional voiceovers or narrate AI-generated scripts yourself for YouTube channels, corporate training videos, and e-learning platforms. Mature voices are in extraordinarily high demand. Brands want trust. Audiences want credibility, and a voice with decades of lived experience behind it carries both. Take everything you know, your career, your industry, your hard-won expertise, and use AI to package it, scale it, and deliver it to people who will pay premium rates to learn from you. AI helps you build the course, create the framework, write the curriculum, but the knowledge, the 30 years of knowing what works and what doesn't, that is entirely yours. A 55-year-old retired teacher now runs an online coaching practice for new educators, with AI building her entire backend. She works 12 hours a week and earns more than she ever did in a classroom. Ebooks, templates, guides, workbooks, planners. With AI, you can create professional digital products in days, not months, then sell them on platforms while you sleep. A 46-year-old project manager created a set of AI-generated workplace productivity templates. She spent 1 weekend building them. They have now generated over $18,000 in passive income. Small businesses desperately need someone to manage their social media presence, but can't afford a full agency. You use AI tools to generate content calendars, captions, and graphics. You bring the strategy, the communication, the client relationship. This is a service business with low startup cost and high recurring revenue. 3 clients at $500 a month. That is $1,500 recurring every single month. The e-learning market is exploding, and people of all ages are willing to pay for someone who can teach complex things in plain, human, relatable language. Use AI to build your curriculum and learning materials. Then teach what you know to people desperate to learn it. Life skills, career skills, financial literacy, parenting, health, the subjects that 40+ years of living have made you an expert in. Small business owners are overwhelmed. They know AI could help them, but they have no idea where to start. You learn 3 to 5 AI automation tools. Then you offer to set them up for local businesses, restaurants, salons, law firms, real estate agents. You charge a setup fee and a monthly retainer. No coding required, just the ability to learn a tool and explain it clearly to someone who needs help. Sound familiar? You've been doing that your entire career. Picture yourself 12 months from today. You picked one stream, just one. You gave it 3 months of consistent effort. You stumbled at first, everyone does, but you didn't stop. And now, you open your laptop on a Saturday morning, coffee in hand, and you check your income dashboard. Money came in last night while you were sleeping, from something you built, from knowledge you already had, from a decision you made when most people your age had already decided it was too late. Your kids see it. Your partner feels it. You carry yourself differently now because you know something the doubters don't, that it was never too late. That experience is not a liability. It is the most valuable currency in the new economy, that the second half of your life could be the best half. If this hit you good, let it land. Pick one stream from today, just one, and spend 30 minutes this week learning everything you can about it. Not next month, this week. Because the income you're capable of isn't waiting on more time. It's waiting on your first step. If this gave you something real, hit like and subscribe. Every week we bring you the tools, the mindset, and the moves that prove it is never, ever too late. Hit the bell so you're first to know what's dropping next. And before you go, we've shown you the 7 streams today. But next video, we go inside the 1 stream, producing the fastest results for beginners over 40. Right now, we break it down step by step from 0. You will not want to miss that one. You don't need to be young to start. You just need to decide that what you already know is worth more than you ever gave it credit for. The tools are ready. The income is real. The only thing left is you.